Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Gujarati dessert, and this is called Fada Lapsi. This is a delicious broken wheat or Daliya halwa, and this tastes so good. This is a comparatively healthier dessert and this has many health benefits. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan take 3 tablespoons of ghee, heat till the ghee melts and then add half cup of fada or daliya or broken wheat. Now roast the broken wheat until it is golden brown in color. Make sure to roast it on low flame. Now to this add chopped almonds, chopped cashews and roast till they turn golden. You can add any dry fruits of your choice. Also add few raisins and roast till they puff up. Now add around 3 cups of boiling hot water. Carefully add the hot water. Give everything a good mix. Now cover and let the daliya cook for 20 to 25 minutes. In between check if the water is dried up, then add little more hot water and let it cook. After it is completely boiled, add half cup of jaggery, few strands of saffron, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Give everything a good mix and keep cooking till the ghee comes on top and gets released, and our delicious lapsi is ready. Serve it hot with some chopped almonds and pistachios on top, and this tastes so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.